Namaste. This video is the introduction to an 8-part series of videos on learning to read and write the Hindi script. This script is also called Devanagari. If you watch these videos and work through the exercises, by the end of this series you should be able to read and write the entire alphabet. In this video, I will give some background about the script and then I will talk about the ways the Hindi script is different from the English or Roman script, and in the following videos you will learn the letters of the Hindi alphabet. Several Indian languages and regional dialects use the Devanagari script, including Hindi, Nepali, and Sanskrit. Many other Indian languages like Gujarati and Punjabi use scripts that are very similar to Devanagari. This is a map of India. People in this yellow area speak Hindi. One difference between the English and Hindi alphabets is that in English each letter has an upper and lower case version, but in Hindi there is only one version of each letter. Hindi has 58 characters. The Hindi script is phonetic, meaning that it is pronounced the same way that it is written, unlike the English script. In English, the letter G comes at the beginning of the words like giraffe and game. But notice that these are the two different sounds at the beginning of these two words. Here is a journal tip for writing Hindi. Study these examples of the Hindi and Roman script. Notice how Hindi letters hang from the line and English letters sit on the line. This helps keep writing neat. Hindi uses most of the same punctuation as English, except the period. Instead, Hindi uses usually a vertical line to show the full stop. Here is an example of full stop in Hindi. This red vertical line. Here are samples of Hindi handwriting by native speakers. Here is how the Hindi alphabet looks in print. Now I'll give an overview of the place and manner of the articulation of Hindi letters. You can see in the picture that the letters start from the back of the mouth and move towards the front step by step. The first series is velar and is pronounced from velum or the back part of the tongue. The next series is pronounced from the tongue raised against the hard palate. Palatal. The third series are retroflex letters. These are pronounced with the tip of the tongue curled up towards the hard palate. The fourth series of letter is pronounced with the tongue against the upper teeth. The fifth series is pronounced with the lips. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will start learning the letters of the Hindi alphabet one by one. Please continue to the second video in this 8-part series.